Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix issues. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix issues, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the app of Netflix. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first app and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. Then we click clear data. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.